Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something cute and colorful today? Let's create and color some baby feeder bottles together. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, we'll draw our first feeder bottle. Draw a long, narrow shape with a rounded bottom. Now, let's add a cute flower on it. Draw a small circle near the middle and then add petals around it. Great! Let's move on to our second feeder bottle. Draw another long, narrow shape with a rounded bottom. On this one, let's draw a heart shape in the middle. Perfect!
Awesome!
Next, let's draw the third feeder bottle. Another long, narrow shape with a rounded bottom. This time, draw a star shape on it. Nice and pointy! Finally, let's draw the fourth feeder bottle. Draw the same shape. And this time, add a cute ribbon on it. Draw a bow with 2 loops. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Whoa! Look how awesome our feeder bottles look. They're ready to dance. Now it's time to bring our feeders to life with some colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring and say the colors together. Indigo color. Red color. Yellow color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Yellow color. Green color. Light pink color. Yellow color. Red color. Light pink color. Orange color. Purple color. Well done, everyone. Your feeder bottles look colorful and fun. Great work, little artists. Your baby feeder bottles look amazing. Keep practicing and creating wonderful art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.